This seems to be a simple molding on the ceiling, but is actually a cove light. I honestly do not like false ceiling, and when I was designing my own home, I actually went for lights that do not require any false ceiling. I'm going to be talking about all of those in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, content creator, and educator, and today's video is all about how you can actually make your space lit, add the layers of lighting without any false ceiling. So first, let's understand the layering of lighting. Many people often think that you just need to divide the ceiling on a grid, add some cove light, and then you're done and dusted with the false ceiling. But honestly, you need to layer your lighting between ambient, accent, and task. So ambient lighting is the lighting that generally illuminates the entire space. Accent, which basically helps you accentuate and decorate certain features, and task for tasks like reading, writing, cooking, etc. So let me take you through all the rooms in my house and show you how I have layered the lighting without any false ceiling. Firstly, let's understand what ambient lighting is. It's basically the general lighting source of overall illumination in a space. It's uniformed and diffused, creates a comfortable and pleasing environment. Now, when you have a false ceiling, you can create that with cove lighting and with panels and COBs and all sorts of lighting. But when you don't have false ceiling, here are some options of how you can go about it. Since I did not want to get any false ceiling done in my living space, but still wanted a cove, which is usually created with false ceiling, I actually went for a corner profile molding light. Now, this is not like your direct profile light, this is an indirect profile light. So it's an aluminium profile which comes in different shapes and sizes. You can install it. When it's switched off, it looks like a molding, but when you turn it on, there is actually light inside which gives indirect glow. You can, of course, increase the intensity of the light as per your space, and it actually makes the entire space lit. All you need is an electric point which you can take from any nearby source. So it comes like this. It is paintable. You can adjust it and simply install it onto the corners of your ceiling and wall, and it turns out to be a beautiful cove light without false ceiling. Second thing which I did in my study is I actually got a wooden box made in which I'm putting module LEDs which are dimmable, tunable, which are actually operated from a remote, and then used a stretch ceiling to actually put it up. So it looks like an artificial skylight, and I can change the color, dim it with a remote, and it looks super beautiful. I have a other table fan in this room, and it's a small room, so the AC is more than enough, but it looks like an artificial skylight, great for shooting content and other stuff. You can even go for a fan which comes with tunable and dimmable light. And if you go for these fans, I'm going to tag all of these and put the description links in the description below. The ambient lighting is more than enough to make the entire room lit. So it's actually a fan and a light, not like your chandeliers and fandeliers where there's a chandelier and then it opens up for a blade. It's a proper fan. So it gives you the right amount of air circulation which a normal fan would give you, and you can adjust the light, you can dim it, you can change the color and change the look of your space. So all the fans in my house, since I don't have a false ceiling in any single area, are actually fans with lights with inbuilt LEDs. So this is a model by Polycap which I used in my bedroom, because my bedroom is the only area where I had just one source of ambient lighting, and this actually makes the entire room lit. Also, since in my bedroom I don't have any tasks as such, it's mostly for relaxing. So this light is more than enough. Of course, if you want to use it for study and other purposes, then I would recommend you adding more lights alongside. But for my bedroom, this was more than enough. In my son's bedroom and in my living spaces, I have a different model of Crompton, which again has dimmable and tunable light. Now, the intensity of this light is less than the fan that is there in my bedroom, but again, more than enough to make the room lit. Of course, I have added other lights here, but the fan with light is a must have, especially if you don't have false ceiling. Alongside the fan, I have surface mounted magnetic track lights, which again are tunable and dimmable, and you can even adjust the fixtures. Now, for the points that are already available on your ceilings, you can always install a surface mounted light or a chandelier, which makes the room lit entirely. So, in my living room, the center point is used by this chandelier, which has enough light, which is ambient light. And of course, then you can use other points for surface mounted COBs. and use them to make the entire area lit. Like in my bathroom, I again have this big moonlight which is surface mounted. You can see that I have drawn the wire from the point that is available, and this is again color changing, so it adds benefit to it because people can have different preferences with lighting. So it has natural light, warm white, and cool white. There are many surface mounted lights available, from magnetic to COB to panels to chandeliers and pendant, which you can check out. Especially if you don't have false ceiling, you can explore these options out. Then your accent lighting is basically used to highlight an object or any area or create contrast from your surrounding environments. And it also enhances the details. So you can use a lot of wall points and other ways of layering lighting. It's not that everything has to come from ceiling. So in my house, what I've done is I have this picture light which highlights the artwork on the wall. Then I have these two wall lamps. Now these are all existing points to highlight the wallpaper. Then I have another picture light in my bedroom to highlight the artwork. And then I have this lamp in my dining space which highlights the coat beneath. And again, these are already the points that were already there. Then I have this really cute lamp in my son's bedroom, again as an accent piece. And then you can always add battery operated and plug lights for different purposes to accentuate the space. Task lighting is done for focused lighting for a specific task like reading, writing, eating, etc. It enhances visibility and reduces eye strain, direct and adjustable, and brighter and more concentrated, and it generates less heat. Now, since you don't have false ceiling, you can use your wall points, you can even put a lot of table lamps for reading, etc. purposes. And also, if you don't have enough electric points, you can actually go for sensor lights, which can be stuck onto your shelves or inside your wardrobes and stuff like that. Like here, I have installed a battery operated, or you can also go for rechargeable light which just switches on with sensor. So it also acts as a reading light because this portion is very near to my bed. So every time I want to read, I can just, put my hand over there and it opens up. You can add profile LEDs inside your cabinets, which are again touch button auto switch one, so it makes your cupboards lit. You can go for a lot of table lamps in your house for reading purposes and different purposes that you want. You can even go for a color changing bulb, which can be changed in any of your wall lights or your table lamps, which is amazing because again it acts as an accent light and also acts as a task light. So when you change the color of the bulb as per your space, you can use it as a night lamp. You can even use it for reading, so you can change the color temperature to white, or again different colors for parties and other purposes. It changes the ambience of that entire room. So all the lamps in my home actually have these smart bulbs. I'm going to tag the product and also link it in the description below. If you found today's video to be informative, then do hit the like button. I would love to know your views in the comment section below. Lot more details in the description below. Don't forget to share and subscribe.